Welcome to Fibermerix Media Channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the 10 most promising ways of making money online. Some of these you may have heard of before, but the best part of this rendering is that the actual showing will be provided by the experts on these cool methods for free.
We would have liked to tell you that one method is better than the others, as other experts do. Only to find out it is a farce. This list is randomly shown here, not because of one way they are better than another. But you must know that as anything in this world goes, here we go. Our number 1 is from Ron Douglas, with one post a day, or OPAD as is now called. It is very easy to do and very profitable. Make up to $10,000 a month from generating recurring income with just one post a day on social media. Even a 12-year-old kid. Our number 2 is Lead Generation with Google Pay-per-Call Ads by Chris Winters. Chris has made tons of money building 7-figure business using this secret method. Without you doing the actual calling. Chris will be glad to show anyone willing to listen, learn and take massive action on their business in a free webinar. Our number 3 is Amazon FBA Publishing. This method of generating passive income has now been revealed and made easier, in a free webinar by Greg Cesar. If you are competing for sales, in a crowded niche, this is for you. Click the link below to check it out. Our number 4 is another Amazon easy money making system from Kindle Publishing. This great idea is from Ty Cohen. Let Ty show you in a free webinar how to create your own ebook, even if you are not a writer, and learn how to turn $100 into $2,000 over and over with easy little Amazon flips. This is an easy one. Our number 5 is from Alicia Little. This one has been made so easy, it is just incredible and you absolutely need to test it out. Learn how to start an online freelancing business from home and outsource all of the work. This way you are free to go about your daily life. Anywhere in the world. What could be easier? Our number 6 is from Fred Lamb on how to rapidly build an email business by generating leads for as little as $6 and turn it into a 15-min a day passive income without a website. The crazy part is, this little-known system requires less than 15 minutes to set up and you can even instantly monetize from it. Click the link below to learn more. Please, don't forget to subscribe, if you have not yet done so, by clicking that subscribe button below. Our number 7 is from Monique Johnson, on creating contents that drives traffic. Learn to build audience for your product and appear everywhere in 10 days using Facebook Live. Also, learn to tie your content directly to revenue with this easy method, then only rinse and repeat. Our number 8 is from Debbie Drum, from Making Passive Income with Low Content Products you can create in just a few minutes. Learn the simple 5-step process of generating passive income with low content products. Save your free seat today. Our number 9 is from Paul Clifford, with the content recycling for free traffic for any business. Generate easy sales without working more hours, using our proven content recycling method. A free workshop that will show you how to use this secret to grow their business with free traffic. Our number 10 is from Stefan Chanchio, on free traffic with Growth Commander. A new secret on how we make a full-time income with affiliate marketing, using 100% free traffic. Learn, in a free webinar, how to set up your campaigns to be viral optimized, so they bring in the most traffic every time. Click the link in the description below to learn more. In conclusion, all of the above works really well, if you are looking for ways of making money online, in a sustainable way and build a lifelong active or passive income, in 6 figures or even more. If you have not subscribed already to this channel, please subscribe and like this video right now. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified of new videos when they come up, as we always do. Find all of these great ideas right now from the link below. Click to learn more on ways of making money online, the easier way.